Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix trading. If you are trying to trade in Rocket League and it not working, don't worry. This is the common problem, and in the video I will explain why trading doesn't work and how to fix it. First, let's cover the most important rule. To trade in Rocket League, both players must meet the trading requirement. If even one requirement is missing, trading will not work. Trading only works if your Rocket League account is linked to your Epic Game account. If it's not linked, trade are blocked. After that, go to the Rocket League setting, then interface and make sure player-to-player trading is turned on. If this is off, you won't be able to trade at all. New account must have purchased at least 5,000 credit or esport token before trading is unlocked. If you haven't brought credit yet, trading will start locked. Your account must be level 30 or higher to trade. If you are below 30, keep playing match until you level up. Some items are platform locked, means cannot be traded across certain platforms. This is normal and not a bug. If trading doesn't work at all, the issue could be temporary or related to Epic server. In the case, wait or connect. Rocket League support is the best option. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.